the letter B?
B. Put the B right.
Yeah, that's the lowercase b. And the uppercase B?
An uppercase B.
The daddy B?
The daddy B.
And the baby B?
And the baby B.
B, b,
B.
ball.
The book.
Yes, B is for books.
Books.
Backpack. Backpack, yes.
Backpack. Bus.
Bus.
Bear.
Bear.
Bumblebee.
Bumblebee.
Ball.
Ball. I'm going to tell you a word and you're going to pick up that picture, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna pick the ball.
You're going to pick the ball. I'm looking for the banana.
Okay, the banana.
Find the banana.
That's not a pear. Boy, like Sebastian.
A ball.
A ball.
Can you find a ball?
Ball.
Bowl. Book.
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 Boat. That's like Moana.
Bee.
Bee.
Bumblebee.
Bumblebee.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see what's in here.
Butterfly.
Oh, butterfly. Butterfly starts with the letter B.
That's a butterfly.
Butterfly. What else do we have?
A banana on a big bamboo. Butterfly right there.
And what's this?
A banana.
That's part of the puzzle.
A puzzle. A little bee.
Oh, one more.
Oh, look. Okay.
Good job.
It fits.
It fits.
And this is different. And deer.
Bear.
Bear.
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Bicycle.
Bicycle.
Banana.
Banana.
Baby.
Baby.
Biscuit.
Biscuit.
This is the letter B. That's the letter B.
I put a bear.
That's a bear.
That's a bear.
A brown bear.
Seal.
Barbie.
Barbie.
B is for Barbie.
Barbie.
Yeah, B is for Barbie.
That's a racer.
Yeah, that looks like your eraser, Barbie. B is for balance on one foot.
Bees.
B, B, B,
B for butterfly.
B,
B.
B,
B.
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 B is for bird.
Bird.
Book.
Book.
Balloons.
Balloon.
Bear.
Bear.
Bike.
Bicycle. Ball.
B.
B. B for the letter. Let's put the book over there.
Okay.